Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Anurag. Today we will be continuing with our Python series and today's topic is Armstrong number. So you will be wondering what is Armstrong number. So basically we can say that Armstrong number is such that, for example, 371. So if I take 3 3 cube plus 7 cube plus 1 cube. So you'll be wondering what I'm doing, right? So I've just split the whole number into single digits and then cubed all of them and I'm adding it. And finally it will give 371. So the numbers in which the digits are cubed and then summed together will give the same number. Such numbers are called as Armstrong number. So we will be doing how to check whether a number is Armstrong number or not. Okay. So let's just open ideally. Control N, write the topic Armstrong number. So our approach will be first taking the number and then dividing to get a single number and then cubing it and forming a new number and then check whether the initial number and the new number is same or not. If it is same, then we can say it is an Armstrong number. If it is not same, we will say it is not an Armstrong number. So let's first take the input from the user. Now int input. Okay. Enter a number. Okay. First we are taking the input. Then we will use a variable initial. So what we are using is that the initial variable will store the input value which are getting from the user, because in our further code we will be decreasing the num value which we are getting from the user. So if we do not save it anywhere, we will not be able to compare, no? So that's why I am saving it in another variable. Okay, then I will also use a result which is currently 0. Okay, next I will use a while loop in which I will check whether my number is greater than 0. So my loop will run until I have a positive number. So first what will I do? I want to take the last digit of the number. So how to get a last digit of a number? I will say last num equal to num percent 10. So I have already told you that what does percent means. When we use percentage, we will get the remainder of a number. And when we use it by 10, we will get the last digit. Okay. So I will be able to get the last digit by using num percent 10. Then I will reduce our num by num equal to num floor division 10. So why to use floor division? Because it will not give any decimal value. So when I will do a dry run, it will be more clear how the values are getting stored. Okay. And in our result, we will say result equal to result plus last num into 3. So to get a cube of the last number, and then we will be adding it the result. Okay. And finally, if we have to check no whether the value we are getting is same to initial number. So we will check initial and rest. If they are same, we will say it is an Armstrong number. Else we will say not an Armstrong number. Okay, not Armstrong number. And for more understanding, I will just also print the result which we are getting from the user. Okay. So to know what is the value we are getting, so I will just save Control S, Armstrong, IT, save. Okay. And I will just run the code. I will enter 371 and it is giving Armstrong number. So how does it calculate? No, just do a dry run. So in the first dry run, when it enters, the value of num is 371. So when we take the last num equal to num percent 10, we get last num equal to 1. Okay. And our num value becomes 37. Okay. And our result will become 0 plus 1, 1 cube 1. Okay. And then this cycle continues. Then it is checked when it is 37. No. So 37 is greater than 0 and it will take the last number which is 7. Okay. And it will further divide down to 3. 37 percent 10 3. Okay. And what will our value we get? 1, which is the initial value, plus what is 7 cube? 7 cube is 343. 343. Okay. And it will store and the value will become 344. Okay. And our final cycle, when the value is 3 is greater than 0, it will check what is the last num, we will get 3 and we will divide and we will get 0. Okay. So this is the last iteration and we will just add the number which is 3 cube 27. So when we add all these numbers, we will get 371, which was the initial number, and we are checking whether the initial number is same, and in our this case it is same, so we will say it is an Armstrong number. Okay, so I will just run a different number too to check whether our else condition works or not. So I will just write 123. 123 is not a Armstrong number. We will get 36. That is 1 cube plus 2 cube 8 plus 3 cube 27. 27 plus 8 35. 35 plus 1 36. So I hope you are able to understand what is Armstrong number, how to check whether a number is Armstrong or not. So keep practicing and thanks for watching.